you ready to just take this home?
I think we ought to.
You'll keep this one?
You would never know.
Good morning. Guess where we're at? At the shop again, and we don't have any garage doors. They're tearing it up, so I guess we're gonna go play maybe?
We don't want to listen to this anyways.
We have Jeeps.
Let's go.
And an FJ. Paul's not here. We're out. I think we'll go do something else and let these boys take care of the business. So,
It'll be nice just to push a button, you know, instead of...
that will be so nice. Some
That's
days
the last time we got a crank.
we were afraid these things would fall down every time we get the change. So they'll have them. It looks like they'll have them out soon. So we're out of here. We're gonna go and we'll go down to the barracks. I think
We got to see if she'll climb the sand hill.
we do have somebody. Grandma can come get us when we get stuck.
Get in the tow truck.
That's right. Somebody's gonna have to come get us.
That'd be
Maybe we'll have to wait till Paul gets home. We're gonna go down there and see what's up, and we'll take you along with us. So.
We are off.
And we're off. Side swipe their truck.
I run into you.
I don't think she's got it.
Oh, we're in front wheel drive. Still in neutral here.
He's trying. That's all we can do.
Now the smoke.
That's pretty easily.
Heading down into the barracks. I think this should be pretty fun. We're descending into the barracks now. Getting off the road. And hitting the trail. It's just creek passing after creek passing down this now.
When's the last time you've been down in here?
We drove side by side through here a year ago.
Never taken something like this through here. Something that actually is capable to do everything.
Killed him.
Just eating it up.
Couldn't find the road.
Oh yeah.
Kind of fun.
That's a good time down here.
Oh yeah. We should stay down here more often.
Right? Steeper than it looks, pal.
They have just splashed Hunter and Sean. They're gonna be hunting me now. They're gonna hunt me down. You know it.
I put it in 4-wheel or?
Just try it.
Try it.
Here he goes.
Easiest you've ever made it?
Pretty much, yeah.
Oh. She's hooking.
That's the difference in stickies and regulars. FJ made it look like nothing, and these slipped, so pretty good. The tire though, BFG.
So you ready to just take this home?
I think we ought to.
You'll keep this one?
You would never know.
many?
Oh, there's probably 5. Down in the water right now.
I didn't even see them.
Really? We go look at it?
Let's go look at them.
We're gonna look at before we scare them away.
Let's go look at them.
Oh yeah, right across the river.
Oh, bedded down right there.
Spotted some nature in the wild. That's the mountain goats. Oh, there's more than that. There's only 5. There's quite a few here. We'll go see them climb up some rocks.
What are the odds of seeing these down here?
Quite frequently, really.
They're here all the time. They're not in any big hurry to leave.
I don't think this will make it.
Did you ever come up in here in high school, rip around?
I never did on a vehicle. I had to drive.
You knew the limits.
I had a 66 Chevy. We could beat through the bottom, hit the hill, you're like, oh, that's cool.
We're going back.
Yeah. I've made it to here. I had in high school a 2006 Jeep Nitro, 2-wheel drive.
You brought a Nitro down here?
2-wheel drive Nitro. Made it to the sand hill.
What is wrong with you?
I had to keep
my.
touching the traction control button because it would turn off and then it would
Where
turn
did it
on.
going?
Turn on. I'd have a passenger sitting there just tapping on
Keeping
it.
it off.
So is
just
it your
poking.
car?
Okay, we're gonna see if we can make it.
Yeah, you'll make it. I might have to let air out, just get up the hills.
How much is in them?
I don't know.
We were gonna check these, but it was going pretty good, so.
Yeah, those are still down. I thought I put air in these. Maybe that's why it sucks.
If it doesn't make it, we'll check it.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
we'll just do it.
So the
Okay.
front's in high, low, high. Then we gotta have this in low too, front and low.
That's under low.
you just want that forward. Forward's 4-wheel drive.
That's
4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive.
Low.
Low, low.
Okay, I see what you're saying.
So right, you getting around right here?
Probably as soon as I hit up over that.
A little straighter right here.
Clear. Maybe he made it. Never know.
Oh, he spun out.
I'm gonna have to let air of the tires. We'll do a quick air down and then we'll probably go up it. Tree. All right, I'm gonna get out, air tires down.
Attempt number 2. Let's see it, Ben. See a little hot?
Oh yeah.
A little toasty?
240. There's something with the steering's all wobbling too, so. And it's soft. FJ, I knew would win. That thing's a mountain
went up
goat.
pretty easily.
Oh yeah.
What are your tires at?
Oh, they were at 20 the first round. So I backed down, I put them down to 12, and it was a ton better, but well, I didn't have the run either.
Yeah.
So that could have been some of it. Well, we're at the top of the sand hill. I had to go around. But now where are we gonna go?
Let's just keep following this road.
Let's see where it goes. Let's go. All right, we're back in our rigs. Try not to overheat because it's hot out here. We're running about 230, so we'll get going, cooler down.
It's a good time up in here. Let's go. Right there's where I rolled my razor. That used to be all washed out.
broke down on the side of the road. Overheated. But we're sitting around 240, so I don't want to push it too much farther, so I'll let her cool down for a minute. We'll get back on the trail. Hunter and Sean just left me. You believe those guys? No, they didn't. They'll come back. I'll just wait here and let her cool down, then we got to fix it. This is going to have to be replaced, that little teeny fan. We got to get some more.
It's an inch wide. That should pull tons of air.
Oh yeah, tons. I've been running with the hood latches in just to give her some air, but she's not wanting to heat.
You probably need some water. You're probably roasting.
Oh, it's time for water. Okay, we've got it back down to 260. No, no, we've got her down around 200, so on we go. We'll see if we can get this done.
Come on. Oh, yeah. 190. We're good to go.
Refueled, cooled down. We're out of here. She got a little warm for a minute, but we're good now, so we're rocking.
Always been one of my favorite spots. Easy.
Alright, we are clear up on Bay Hill. I think that's what it is. I can't remember. I'm horrible at things. But we are clear up on the top. You can see everywhere.
That's Mineral. That's the Buffalo Grill. That's the barracks.
Ben didn't
That's
see us,
Zion.
obviously.
Ben just rolled.
He's
He has
cruising.
no idea.
He has no idea. He's gonna be trying to catch us this whole time.
He'll be surprised when we come right up on him.
So that's Zion.
So that's Zion.
Zion National Park.
Yep, you're looking at the park. So this is my father-in-law's allotment. So we run cows to this guard. I thought it would be blowed full of dirt. I just wanted to check it. So we rebuilt this fence new.
So your
That
cows
one's-
don't get through here?
Yeah,
Oh, okay. I was gonna say.
someone ran it over. It wasn't like that, but thanks to good, honest people, that, you know, I'm thinking if we bring the wrecker out, lift the guard up, we can hand shovel that thing out.
You know, after taking just tipped it over, got it out of the way. You could do burnouts in it.
Hog it
Dig
out.
it all out.
Hog it both ways.
Yeah, I think your cows could probably get through right there. Just
It wasn't like that 2 years ago.
I think somebody messed up and hit the pole. Going too
I think
fast.
someone was drinking too many cans of something and took it out.
Stop and get the gas jug. Forgot to close the tailgate, and we lost the gas jug. I think I'll be finding the cooler in just a minute. There's the cooler. Let me get the cooler and put it in the cooler. All right, we've collected the cooler and the gas jug. Let's go see what else we can find. Whoa! Well, we caught up with Sean and Hunter and returned the cooler and the gas jug. So now we'll make some time, get back to the road.
Made it back to the oil, so we'll just finish driving home now. Ben caught us, so
Well, that was a good time. I think the barracks trail is gonna have to have other things go through it. Four-wheelers, something or other.
whatever will or won't make it. We could drag it out if it doesn't.
Yeah, I got a Subaru.
I mean, why not?
Everybody else likes Subarus. That's a good time. Now we have to go back and work. The doors will be in. They've got to at least have 2 in. They're probably in the shop. I'll bet they got 3 in.
Thanks for getting my cooler and gas jug.
Oh yeah, no problem. And then we took off and I'm like, huh, there's a gas jug. I'll bet there would be a cooler coming in a minute. Yes, there was.
We're like, what is taking him so dang long? Come on, he's not that old.
I didn't say it.
We took it all back. We're like, oh.
Oh yeah, collecting
yeah.
parts. Hey, that's the best way. My dad used to collect tools all the time on the road. Let's go home.
Okay.
Alright, we're just passing where we went in, the barracks, on the home stretch. We're gonna get home and maybe have a cold drink. And go from there.
Well, here we are.
Hey, look at that.
Look at that. 2 new doors. Hey, 3 almost. They've been working at it.
Well, we went on a good ride.
Fun ride. Hunter,
no,
he sent
no
it
comment.
He sent it up the sand hill though. That FJ runs good.
Yeah.
That was impressive.
It made it. Mine didn't. Mine's puking fluid. It's not happy.
Needs
It's
some
hot.
bigger coolers.
But it was a good shakedown run.
We need a few more of those.
And we come back and there's doors.
2.5 doors. There.
It's gonna be so nice.
They apparently worked harder than we did today.
At least someone did. But we appreciate you and thanks for watching.